Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Yeah, a lot have changed since the last video. A lot have happened. Yeah, let me show you what I did to the car. I'm gonna blend in some videos when I was working on the car to the state now of the car. How do I begin? Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna show you. The car looks like this. Looks like this at the moment. Yeah, nothing is in the car and you already see it's blacked out. I said in a video that I'm going to black out the engine bay, one of the cables here. I already did the hole here to run the cables here. On the hood, that's over there. I'm gonna put the Japanese flag on the hood. And the big part that's going to make this special is standing right next to me on my left side. Are you ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. Yes, I did it. I bought a 1.8 VVT engine from an NB Miata in a very clean state. It looks like new, with only 90,000 kilometers on it. It sounds much, but my engine had around 200,000 kilometers on it. So for me, that engine here is really new, and it looks really nice. But I have plans for this engine. I want to make this purple. I'm gonna powder coat it, and this intake manifold I also wanna make that purple, and I'm gonna make the whole engine, yeah, new, not new, but I'm gonna replace all the seals. Yeah, I'm gonna replace all the seals and belts and all the little stuff to make it, yeah, nice when it goes in. I also going. Yeah, I'm also going to change the motor mounts to stiffer motor mounts, 40% stiffer. So that's gonna really feel nice, I hope. I'm actually gonna buy some cables for this car that is a plug and play for my harness, for the 1.6 harness that's in already for the 1.8 VVT. So it's really easy. I just need to buy the harness and I need to buy the ECU. That's the update for now.
But we're not stopping there. We do have one more thing.
What I'm actually working on is this. I'm gonna show you. Walk this around here. It's a bit tight, but wait. Oh fuck! Oh, enter the car. Oh. So it's a bit darker here. I hope you can see it. I'm gonna turn the camera around. I'm actually working on this. I'm working on a sort of dashboard. I know it looks not as good at the moment, but pretty okay. But I'm gonna make it so smooth. But I'm still working on it. This is for gauges. I saw it on the internet, but you only can buy it for right-hand drive Miata, and not for the left-hand drive Miata. So I was really like, yeah, fuck. How I want it so bad, but how can I do it? So I thought, I try make it myself, and that's the result. Now what you see here, but it's not finished. It still needs some fiberglass and everything. This is just, the beginning of that, and I really like it. How far it has come, and I hope it looks nice when it's done. But I think it will look really nice because I'm gonna match it here. It's not matched. It goes up here and down but it needs to make this curve so it blends in with the car design. And this already is really smooth, but here I need it a bit flatter. And I'm thinking of making here a USB-C port, but I don't know if it looked good or not, because here's the cigarette lighter, and I can use that too for that. You can stick your whole hand here. Oh. That's the state of the car inside and outside. My mirror, it's bent. So I hope I informed you enough about the car now. I'm really sorry that I not filmed everything of it. A lot has happened in the background. I don't want to talk about it, but there were some tough moments for me. But now I'm back. I'm making videos again. Here I am in the garage. Not respray, but we built the car, the engine bay, and the new engine that's over there. And I'm really excited about it. And I really hope it's coming. I'm really hoping it's going to work how I think it's gonna work. I never have done this, so fingers crossed. The internet saved my life. I hope after this month you still are watching this channel or still are subscribed to this channel. And I know that it might seem that I never gonna upload a video again, but here I am. And I promise you, everything that I'm doing now, I'm gonna lay it on tape and talk about it, and make sure that you have a great time watching this, and make your day a little bit better when watching this. I hope you liked what I'm doing now, with the 1.8 engine swap. Yeah, 1.8 VVT engine swap. I'm really excited about it. I hope it's done for the summer, but I think that's gonna work. I hope that's gonna work. And yeah, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a really nice day. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.